Yo, what's up guys, this is Wally right here. Welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make panna cotta. $600 milliliters of whipped cream, 10 grams of gelatin, 80 grams of sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, and I'm gonna make a topping with fresh raspberry and another 2 tablespoons of sugar. So let's see how it works.
Meanwhile,
there you have it, raspberry topping. Now I'm gonna put them in the fridge for 5 hours and then I'm coming back to taste it. Well, that's it. Now let's eat. So let's see what we have here. Wow. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.